Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and in today's video I'm going to be giving you an empty home tour of our home that we just sold and we just moved out of. And so yeah, so I'm just doing my intro. We are currently living at my mom's home. This is the boys' room. It's not finished or anything like that yet, but I have started to do a few things. There's no painting or anything like that yet. I will be getting to that. Every room needs to be painted because I believe Mom said that when they moved in, like the previous owners have never painted. It was still the original paint from when they built the home. And this home is over 20 years old, so it's still like all of the original paint and everything. So everything needs to be painted. And then downstairs also, because where we live, houses settle, and they settle a little bit more because where we live, it was all used to be marsh. So the homes typically will crack and stuff as they settle, and because we have a basement, the basement is a little bit more cracked than the upstairs. Like there's not really many cracks upstairs, but down in the basement, in the living room and stuff down there's definitely more cracking in the walls. It's usually only the corners and things like that, but all that stuff needs to be fixed. So I'm going to be helping my mom get all that done so we can get her home on the market as well. To move back to Nova Scotia, not this year but next summer. So that is a plan. We're gonna start working on Mom's home. But sorry, off on a long tangent. The whole point of me jumping on here was to let you know, oh, my little guy's bouncing, so the camera's like bouncing, was to let you know that I was gonna take you on an empty home tour of our previous home. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the home tour. Okay, so when you first walk into the house, this is the front door. You have our entryway closet, and I redid this almost when we first moved in. I took the door off and I built this bench. We used to put our shoes here and under there, and then we would sit on the bench if we needed to, have all these hooks. And we also have this welcome sign in here that I'm leaving. And it was, honestly, this worked better for us than having a normal coat closet with the door and the rack that went across, because we just, I don't know, this kept it more organized and things like that. And it was just like, it just worked better for our family. So that's what we did here. And I'm gonna go downstairs first. So if you come into our house, you have downstairs and then upstairs. So we're gonna go downstairs first. And sorry, it is starting to get dark, and it is kind of dark in here, so I'm gonna turn on some lights. But if you go straight ahead into here, this is the like utility room and laundry room. So we have our washer, dryer, hot water tank, furnace. We had tons of storage space in here, leaving all the paint for the new owners. And like I said, tons of storage space. Like we had like a ton of bins and storage stuff here. That is the door that was originally on the closet, the entryway closet. So I am leaving that for the next owner just in case they want to put it back on. And I also left the pole to hang the jackets on as well. It's just behind the door, just in case they want to put it back up. And then if you go this way out of the laundry room, there is a bathroom. This is a linen closet here, actually quite a decent size linen closet. And then just your standard bathroom, vanity, tub, stuff. They wanted to keep that bench, so we left it. And then in here was our bedroom. We used it as the master. Just gotta turn on the light here. So this was our bedroom. And then we also had a walk-in closet. I didn't update the walk-in closet. Is quite dark in there. It's still the dark gray color that it was when we moved into the house. I never painted it white like I did the rest of the house. Just kept it that dark color. And then I'm leaving that sign there for them. So this was our bedroom, and the cool thing about it is kind of like wraps around. So that door there is to go upstairs. Like I'll just show you. This is back up to the entryway, and then this is straight back through to the laundry room. And then you kind of have this little landing here And we just had a bookshelf here with some stuff on it. And that there is the storage under the stairs. And like I said, this was the bedroom and then the door to the bathroom. So it was kind of nice because the bathroom had a door from the hallway plus the bedroom. So that was our bedroom. And then in here was, we called it a game room. Let me turn on the light here. We called it a game room. This is where my husband and my son used to spend a lot of their time. We had a TV down here, all of like the PlayStation, all the gaming consoles and things like that were down here, and we had a bunch of toys and stuff and a big sectional down here as well. So this was kind of like their little dungeon area or man cave, whatever you would like to call it. So that was their area. And sorry if my jacket's kind of loud, it is freezing outside, and I just wanted to come in here quickly to film this. And then again, we're gonna go back upstairs. I'm gonna turn off some lights before I head back up there. I think I got them all now. Okay. So back upstairs and entryway, and then we're gonna go up a few more stairs. And then here at the top of the stairs was a massive pantry. Well, that's what we used it for. Just looks like that. And then you turn this way, and this was the living room that I did a lot of my filming in. They have bought a few furniture pieces from us. They bought this bookshelf, our TV stand, our coffee table. All of the shelving and everything that was built onto the walls is staying. And then they also bought my hutch. Turn this way. This was where our dining room table was. What?
And they bought the house.
And they bought the house, yes. So this was where the dining room table was. Right here was a cleaning closet, or that's what we used it for. We put all of our cleaning supplies in there, vacuum, mops, things like that. The plate rack that my husband and I built is staying. And then here is the kitchen. And then off the kitchen we have Cooper's bedroom, which we did the shiplap on, and we did a lot of like pegboards, and we put books on this for him because he used to eat his books. So we had to get them up out of his reach, so they were up there. This is his closet. I didn't paint any of the closets, so his closet is still gray. And then you come out of Cooper's room, and again the kitchen. And on behind this door was our other son's room, Chase, and we did that board and batten, which I loved. And then we have double doors out here to go out to the patio that also has a roof on it, which was so nice. And it's like just nice because you can go out there when it's raining and barbecue, or when it's snowing and barbecue. My husband used to do that a lot. So yeah, this was Chase's room. Again, didn't paint the closet, and that shelving is staying. And then outside of Chase's room, back towards the kitchen, and then the back entryway, the rack is staying. They bought that as well as the rug. And then in here was the upstairs bathroom, which I did some board and batten and a pegboard on. And then you just have some like storage over there, and I didn't redo the vanity or anything like that in this bathroom. I just kind of left it the same, and then I did put in that new light, which I really liked. So there we are. And like I said, this is the back door out to the patio. So you kind of have the two back doors in the bedroom, and then you have the main back door to get out. And we use the barbecue out here and have a nice like patio set and everything like that. I'm not gonna go out there and show you because it's way too cold to do that. Okay, so that's all to share with you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little empty home tour. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps me out, and definitely consider subscribing if you enjoy decorating videos, thrifting videos. I'm going to be doing a lot of updating and renovations of my mom's home, so if you're interested in those types of videos, definitely consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.